Hey guys, it's Reese, welcome back to the channel. So, forgot to open these cars a few days ago after I got them from the local Walmart store. Um, I did have two of these, but I decided to send one back to the store. Um, because it was my first time officially, getting one for my collection. And I would have liked to have two, because it's an even amount, but, you know, it's nice to take stuff back because then it gives a chance for other people to buy the car. So yeah, I'm gonna open the cars right now.
You go to Costco with mom. I wonder if the food court's still closed. Actually, I was gonna say you could get pizza.
We're just doing leftovers apparently.
Oh, well, that's okay.
Here's both cars open. The 2020 Corvette Stingray in blue and the 1983 Chevrolet Silverado. These are the two cars after they are both taken out of their card packaging. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. And have a great rest of your week, everyone. And thanks for watching.